chronic stress, overwhelm, anxiety.
In our current world of massive distraction and accelerating change, there is a silent epidemic running beneath the surface: chronic overwhelm and neurological fight or flight. We've acclimated to this chaos as if it's the new normal, but there's nothing normal about it. Today, nearly everyone is living in a state of chronic reactive contraction, struggling to simply survive and endure. Now, imagine a better life for yourself. Imagine waking up fully rested with resilience on demand, where the unrelenting pressure of stress and anxiety no longer ride roughshod over you. Imagine your life of thriving and mastery rather than just getting by. I'm George E. Green, founder of the Flow Mastery Collective. I'm not just asking you to imagine this life, I'm inviting you to create it. Welcome to the 7-Day Flow Mastery Challenge. If you're ready for a breakthrough, enroll now via the link below this video in the description. In just 1 week, you'll learn to create powerful flow states on demand while overcoming chronic stress and mastering overwhelm. You are still here, and you are stronger than you know. We'll immerse you in our elegantly simple, profoundly powerful FlowSoma daily practices, including a 9-minute immersive box breathing technique we've adapted for your benefit. Box breathing was originally adapted to serve and support Navy SEALs during combat, creating flow states, and afterwards to clear and resolve the massive stress of battle. The best part? Research shows that when you enter flow, your brain generates a massive cascade of 5 potent, high-performance, feel-good neurochemicals. This is why people who cultivate flow on a daily basis are recognized as some of the happiest and most productive people on the planet. This is your new playground of extraordinary performance, presence, and fulfillment. Together, we will interweave neuroscience with the creative art of flow in your daily FlowSoma practice. Enroll now. Select the comprehensive self-guided 7-day Flow Mastery Challenge to start immediately or coming soon. Explore our personalized options led by me. Be bold. Enroll now. Link in the video description below. The Flow Mastery 7-Day Challenge. Find your flow. Become unstoppable.